Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy A23 is now here at Straight Talk, and it's available now for $199.99. Retail price $299.99. So currently on sale, $100 off, which is pretty cool. So if you guys can get this phone for $200, it's definitely worth it. The phone is available in black. This phone has been everywhere on postpaid and prepaid carriers now, and now Straight Talk has it on their carrier, so that's pretty cool there. Yeah, very nice looking phone. Y'all guys can also pay monthly for it for $833 a month for 24 months. So if you guys want to do the monthly option, if you guys want to do that, totally up to you. Also, if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A23 is the phone for you guys to check out here. So anyways, y'all guys get the phone in front of you. Y'all guys have your teardrop notch with front facing camera there. Earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Has like this wallpaper here, kind of like AT&T colors, if you guys want to say it like that, with the orange and blue. So pretty cool there. Right side power button, volume keys. There's the back of the Galaxy A23 5G, your quad camera setup, camera flash, Samsung logo, and you have like a little camera bump down the back. The Galaxy A23 looks like the Galaxy A53, but Straight Talk also offers for a bit more. So if you guys like the Galaxy A53 design and you guys don't want to pay for the price of that, y'all guys can get the Galaxy A23 for cheaper with the design of the Galaxy A53. So that's what it looks like there. Yeah. I don't know why they got this on there, which is kind of cool, I guess. It says here, introducing Galaxy A23 5G. It's easy to stay connected to the people and content you love with Galaxy A23 5G. Beautifully capture the moments that mean the most with an incredibly detailed, oriented wide lens. The infinite display makes playing your favorite games an edge-to-edge experience, and with virtually lag-free 5G and a long-lasting battery, you will beat your high scores in no time. Alright, so pretty cool there. Specs: network, it does have 5G, Wi-Fi 82.11, ABGN and AC, dual-band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, and all that good stuff. It has CDMA, LTE, 5G. Dimensions: 6.51 inches height, 3.3 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. Screen size on the Galaxy A23, 6.6 inches, full HD plus LCD display. V-notched, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which is very nice for on a budget phone like this, especially for $200. You can't go wrong, you know. I think it's a really good deal there. You do get 4 cameras in the back. You get a 50 megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture lens, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera with the f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro camera with the f2.4 aperture, 2 megapixel depth camera with the f2.4 aperture, and a 8 megapixel front facing camera with the f2.2 aperture. Alright, 40 hours of battery life, Bluetooth 5.1, battery specs 5000 mAh, 25 watt fast charging, Snapdragon 605 5G octa-core processor, 2.2 gigahertz with that, 40 hours of talk time, 64 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of ROM, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. You do have micro SD expansion up to 1 terabyte, so take advantage of that. What's in the box is your Samsung Galaxy A23 5G smartphone, USB Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, and I don't know if it comes with the charger or not. I doubt it, but I'm not sure. More features: capture, share, repeat. Catch even the finest details with the wide lens of Galaxy A23 5G. Take pro pics with advanced portrait mode, a battery that was built to keep up with a long-lasting, super fast charging battery. you can get more done without taking a break to charge. We are serious about security, and that's good. Everyone should be everyone should be serious. Everyone should be serious about security here. So, anyways, guys, it says here, guys, the A23 5G helps protect your data with multi-layered security and the ability to privately share your files on your terms. So you do get the Samsung Knox software built in here, which is pretty cool. You get a fingerprint sensor. I think you get a in-display fingerprint sensor. I think so, or facial recognition. So yeah, it says dive into an infinite display. An adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz keeps everything smooth and clear. Plus, the infinite display of Galaxy A23 5G turns mobile viewing into an edge-to-edge experience. Game at the speed of 5G. Level up your mobile gaming speed with the fast, powerful processing of Galaxy A23 5G. Relive every moment. The expandable storage of Galaxy A23 5G helps you make the most out of a trip down memory lane. So, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A23 5G is now here at Straight Talk. It's currently on sale for $199.99. Full retail price $299.99. It doesn't matter if you get it for $200 or $300. I think it's worth every penny of it. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A23 5G is worth taking a look at here. It has great specs for what it is, a budget 5G smartphone. And yeah, the phone looks very nice as well. Like I said, it looks like the Galaxy A53, which Straight Talk also offers as well for a bit more. And it has better specs, obviously, than this phone, but both phones look nice. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.